gather personal information using a PeeKYou online people search services. Online people search service, also called as a public record websites, are used by many individuals to find a personal information about others. These services provide a names, address, contact details, date of birth, photographs, videos, professions, detail about family and friends, social media networking profiles, property information, and optional background on a criminal check. Here, we will gather information about a person of target organization by performing people search using a PeeKYou online people search services. Here we are gathering information about Satya Nadella from Microsoft company. So open the PeeKYou.com and first name was the Satya Nadella. And Washington DC. Place this in the first name and last name fields type Satya and Nadella respectively. In the location drop down box, select the Washington DC, then click on the search button. The people search Bings and the best matches for a provide search parameters will be displayed. The results shown information such as a public record, background details, email address, contact information, address history, etc. This information helps to attackers to perform a phishing, social engineering, and other types of attacks. You can further check the view full report hyperlink to view detailed information about the person. Scroll down and entire information about the person. The conclude the demonstration of gathering personal information using a PeeKYou online people search services. You can also spokeo people and been verified, etc. People search engine services to gather personal information of key employees in a target organizations. So that's for today. And like, share, and subscribe for this video.